In a world where time was a precious commodity, a peculiar creature roamed the land. This was the armadillo, known as the guardian of time. The armadillo lived in a hollow log, far from the bustling towns and cities. Its scales, a unique blend of armored toughness and delicate softness, protected it from the harsh elements and the prying eyes of curious beings. One day, a mischievous squirrel named Skitter discovered the armadillo's home. Skitter, always seeking adventure, decided to venture inside. The armadillo, sensing the intruder, remained silent and still. Skitter, finding no treasure or valuable items, became frustrated. In his anger, he reached out to grab the armadillo, but his hand went right through its protective shell. Confused, he asked, "Why can't I touch you?" The armadillo, breaking its silence, replied, "I am not made of matter you can grasp. I am a guardian of time, a realm unseen by the naked eye. I protect not gold or jewels, but the very essence of life's passage." Skitter, upon hearing this, felt a sudden realization. He had been wasting his days chasing after material possessions, neglecting the true treasure, time. He apologized to the armadillo and vowed to change his ways. From that day forth, Skitter became a wiser squirrel. He learned to cherish each moment, to appreciate the beauty of the present, and to understand that time, like the armadillo, was a guardian worth respecting. The armadillo, with a nod of approval, returned to its quiet life, watching over the world's time, reminding all who crossed its path to cherish the precious gift of time.